Hey everyone, this is Darren from Hayward Farms, and today we're doing some maintenance on the wife's Subaru Legacy. It's a 2020 model. We're going to do an oil change on it. We've already got it up on the ramps, so it's high enough for my fat belly to get underneath. We've also got it chalked at the back so it can't roll off and crush me. So come along and we'll show you how to change the oil on a 2020 Subaru Legacy. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we've got to remove this drain plug from the oil pan so we can drain the oil into our oil pan. Okay, now that we got the drain plug out, we can drain the oil into our drain pan without making a mess, or try to anyway. For those of you that are wondering and want to change your own oil, the Subaru Legacy's drain plug is a 14 millimeter. Used a 14 millimeter socket with a 3/8 ratchet. Now that the oil's drained, we can reinstall our drain plug. Get it finger tight, and then we can use our ratchet and snug it down. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay, now we're going to remove the oil filter. It's on the top side on a Subaru. We're going to use a 65 to 67 millimeter filter cup wrench. And since it's on the top side, we're going to have plenty of rags ready so we don't make an oil mess everywhere. Or try not to. Clean the area real good so you don't have any contaminants in there. We're going to be installing a K&N SO 1010. We're going to put a little bit of old oil on the O-ring. And then we can install the filter. Just get it snug. Okay, the oil we're going to use is Valvoline Full Synthetic 0W20. That's what the book calls out, and it holds 4.8 quarts. So we got a 5-quart jug, and we'll just put it in and keep checking it till we get to our 4.8 and the full line on the dipstick. Okay, we should have our 4.8 quarts in it. We'll let that drain down a little bit before we check the oil. Okay, on Subaru, they use 2 dots. We're at the full mark on the top of the dot. So we'll go ahead and reinstall our oil fill cap. And now we can start the car back onto the level concrete, and then we'll turn it off and let the oil settle again, and we'll check it to make sure. Okay, now that we have the car back on level surface, we're going to check the oil again to make sure we're still at the full mark. And we're still showing full. So we'll let the car run and look for any leaks, make sure we got everything tight. Okay, now that we've got the oil changed, topped off, and a new filter, we're going to show you how to reset your oil life on the engine oil and the filter on the 2020 Subaru Legacy Limited.
So you do...
Well, we don't want to do notification date.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
We want to just reset the distance.
Miles to how many miles? I think you can do last miles, notification distance remaining.
So you want to put 7,000.
We do 7,000?
Yeah, every 7,000.
I thought it was 6.
Update. Okay, close that.
So you change it to 6.
Okay, it goes to 6,000 miles. Now do the oil filter. Okay, now the engine oil and the filter are reset to let us know in 6,000 miles that it's due for another oil change. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified the next time we upload a video.